Leave your hand, baby, don't be scared. All the things that could go wrong along the way. Get by with a smiley. Wala pa nanonood. Lift your head, baby, don't be scared. All the things that could go wrong along the way. You get by with a smiley. You can win at everything, but you can try. Yan na lang. Mas maganda yata yung black and white. Baby, you don't have to worry. Lift your head, baby, don't be scared of the things that could go wrong along the way. You get by with a smiley. Ay, nagaganon. Diyan na lang. Take 2. Take 1. Baby, you don't have to worry, 'cause I ain't no need to hurry. No one ever said it there's an easy way. When they closing all the doors, they don't want you anymore. It's just funny, but I say it anyway. Can I stay through the bad time, even if I have to fight you every day? Get by with a smiley. May nanonood ba sa akin? Hindi ko makita yung nanonood. Baby, you don't have to worry. Ano ang maganda? Hindi ko makita yung ano. Oasis. Where's my couple? Today's gonna be the day that they're gonna throw it back to you. But now you should somehow realize what you gotta do. I don't believe in anybody feels the way I do about you now. Ba't naka-hide ang chat? Chat. Tap chat. Take two. Today's gonna be the day that they're gonna throw it back to you. But now you should somehow realize what you gotta do. Hello. Ina! Hello, Maribeth. May gusto kang kanta? Hindi ko alam kung anong kakantahin ko eh. Gusto mo ano? Champagne Supernova. Ito na lang. O sige, back to basic. Today's gonna be the day that they're gonna throw it back to you. By now you should somehow realize what you gotta do. I don't believe in anybody feels the way I do about you now. Fact be the words on the street and the fire in your heart is out. I'm sure you heard it all before, but you never really had a doubt. I don't believe in anybody feels the way I do about you now. And all the roads we have to walk are winding, and all the lies will lead us to blinding. There's so many things that I would like to say to you, but I know how. Because maybe you gotta be the one to save me. And after all, you're my wonder. Today was gonna be the day that they never throw it back to you. By now you should somehow realize what you gotta do. I don't believe in anybody feels the way I do about you now. And all the roads that lead us to blinding, and all the lies that lead the way of blinding. There are many things that I would like to say to you, but I know how. Because maybe you gotta be the one to save me. And after all, you're my wonder. Whoa. Tapos na, Bet. Sarap na niluluto mo. Pwedeng makahingi. Ina nyo. Next song. Ano bang next song? Lunch time. Oo nga eh. Ang sarap nung niluluto mo. Wait. Ulit tayo. Stand by me na lang. Oasis ulit. Oasis. Okay, Nirvana. All apologies. Wait, hanap muna ako ng ano. Hindi ko master yung... What the hell should I be? Ulit. Intro tayo ulit. What the hell should I be? All apologies. What the hell should I say? Everyone is gay. What else could I write? I don't dare to run. What else should I be? All apologies. In the sun, I feel as one. In the sun, Maren, Maren, yeah. I was like you, easily amused. From my nest of song, everything's my fault. Sunburn with breeze of burn, choking on the ashes of our enemy. In the sun, I feel as one. In the sun, Maren, 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 yeah. All in all is all we are. 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 May nanonood pa. Naman no sold old. Next song. Puro Nirvana muna tayo. We pass up on the chair. spoken one was when, although I wasn't there. He said I was his friend, which came as a surprise. I spoke into his eyes, I thought I loved you wrong. A long, long time ago. But no, not me. We never lose control. To face with a man who saw the world. I laughed and shook his hand and made my way back home. I searched for a falling land, and years are wrong. I glaze and gaily stand. We walk a million days, I must have done alone. A long, long time ago. Who knows? Let me, I never lose control. To face with a man who sold the world. Who knows? Not me. We never lose control. To face with a man who's all the world. Hindi naman kita inaaway. Ano lang yun? Solo. Isang daan na nakakaraan, di mo ba napapansin ang lus-lusan? Pagkabang ganito, bulag-bulayan, tila ba pala talagang ganyan? Nagpamansinin ay yung makikita, maling sistema, tama sa kala. Kot sa pagyaman ng mga hangad, pagkamalusan na atupan. Hindi tama yung solo. Hindi ko lang yung solo niya eh. Pinaglaro niya, no? Ano lang, love song muna tayo, love song. Wala ka bang gustong kanta, Bet? Ikaw na ang may sabi na ako'y mahal mo rin, at sinabi mo ang pag-ibig mo'y di magbabago. Ngunit bakit sa tuwing ako'y lumalapit, ika'y lumalayo? Puso'y laging nasasaktan pag may kasama kang iba. Di ba nila alam tayo'y nagsumpa na ako'y sa'yo at ika'y akin lamang. Ikaw na rin wait. Nangyari, pag-ibig ko'y sa'yo pa rin, kahit ano pa ang sabihin nila, ikaw pa rin ang mahal. Maghintay ako kahit kailan, kahit pa umabot pang ako'y nasa langit na. At kung di ka makita, makikiusap kay batala na ika'y hanapin at sabihin, ipaalala sa iyo ang nakalimutang sumpa na ako'y sa'yo at ika'y akin lamang. Umasa ka, maghintay ako kahit kailan, kahit pa umabot pang ako'y nasa langit na. Kung di ka makita, makikiusap kay batala na ika'y hanapin at sabihin, ipaalala sa iyo ang nakalimutang sumpa na ako'y sa'yo at ika'y akin lamang. Wait, magalas ako ng damit. Mainit. Uminit. LC. Pagod sa matik ng luha, may May nanonood pa ba sa akin? Dance time na, sabi ni strumming. Bakit? Strumming lang. This from Eraserheads. Hindi pala. Lieberman. Pag automatic na ang luwa, tuwing nag-ating gabi, nakakalimutan ko yung lyrics. Take two tayo. Nakakalimutan ko yung lyrics. Take two. Pag automatic na ang luwa, tuwing nag-ating gabi, pag imposibleng mapatawa at di madapuan ng ngiti, kumapit ka kaya sa akin nang ikaw ay maitangay sa kalayaan ng ligaya. Tayo na, ika'y magtiwala sapagkat ngayong gabi ako ang mahiwagang LSE. Pag komplikado ang problema, parang relong made in Japan, at parang sandwich na nasa lunchbox mo nawawala, nabubulok na sa isipan. Kumapit ka kaya sa akin nang ikaw ay maitangay sa kalayaan ng ligaya. Tayo na, ika'y magtiwala sapagkat ngayong gabi ako ang mahiwagang LSE. LSE. Chirudut, 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 chirudut. Minsan ako'y nangailangan daglian kang lumapit sa akin, ibinulong mo kaibigan. Ako ang iyong liwanag sa dilim. Kumapit ka kaya sa akin nang ikaw ay maitangay sa kalayaan ng ligaya. Tayo na, tayo na. Ika'y magtiwala sapagkat ngayong gabi ako ang mahiwagang LSE. Walang pasok. Wala akong pasok, kaya nakakapangingay. Walang pasok, LSE. Walang pasok, kaya nakakapag-ingay ako. Kami kasi naman tayo, kami kasi. Wala akong pasok. Kwento ng isang binata na may nililigawan siya. Para sa lahat ng mga na friend zone. Sampung taon na akong nanliligaw sa'yo at hindi ko na malaman kung ano ang gusto mo. Magmukha na akong katulong driver at alalay mo sa bawat araw ng linggo. Inaraw-araw mo. Akala ko noon may pag-asa sa'yo dahil sa iyong sinabi na maghintay lang ako. Ngunit sang araw nagulat nung naglalakad ako, may kasama kang iba, nakayakap pa sa'yo. Sana'y di na umasa pa, mukha tuloy akong tanga. Noon pa may mahal ka na, ngunit sinayang sa wala. Pakinggan ang aking sasabihin, ayoko nang ulitin, makinig ka na. Kung biglaan ita'y aking iwanan, sana'y di mo makayanan. Mamatay ka na, mamatay ka na, mamatay ka na, mamatay ka na agad. Tama bang umasa pa sa wala ang oras ko? Wala akong pasok, Bet. Kaya nakakapag-ingay dito. Wait, i-share ko nga. Share ko nga sa Facebook. Ba't nag-error? Pakinggan ang aking sasabihin. Ayaw ko nang ulitin. Wala ka bang gusto ng kanta, Bet? Baka may gusto kang kanta. Gusto mo ng... Baka gusto mo ng ano... Champoy? Longganisa? Baka may gusto kong kanta. Sana'y di na umasa pa. Next song. Abang maganda. Anarchy in the UK? Wait. Try natin. Anarchy in the UK. Anarchy. I am... I wanna be anarchy. Wait alam ko madali lang to eh. Ang mahirap lang dito yung kanta. I am Antichrist. I am Antichrist. I don't know what the dragon. I wanna be this. I wanna be anarchy. Kaya na palang kantayin ito. Wrong with the traffic line. The future of me shoving sails. I wanna be anarchy in the city. How many ways to get what you want? How many ways to get it right? I wanna be anarchy. Ayun, punks yun ha, punks. Mahirap gayahin boses ni Johnny Rotten. Kasi talagang siya, tawag doon. Yung pagbigkas ng boss ng niya, lyrics iba. Na lang, my way na lang, my way. My way yung version ni Sid. My way na lang version ni Sid. Sid Vicious. Gusto mo? Buti pa yan, medyo And now, the end is near. And so I praise Sid Vicious. A final curtain. My friend, I say it clear. Napit ko na yung lyrics. Ito. And now the end is near, and so I praise my final curtain. My God, I'm not a queer, I state my case, I'm with some certain. I'll live a life that's full, and it's every day a highway. And but more than this, I did it my way. Regrets I have a few, but then again, to pure subvention, I did what I had to do. I saw it through without condemnation. I planned its charted course and careful step along the highway and more, much more than this. I did it my way. There were a time I'm sure you knew when there was pop, what will do I do? But through it all, when there was doubt, I shouted out and kicked it out. I faced the wall and the wall and did it my way. Love, I've been a snide. I have my fill, my share of living. And now the tears subside, I find it all so amusing. Should say I killed a cat, and may I say, not in a galway. Oh no, no, not me. I did it my way. Oh, what a brat, what does he get? When he has and he cannot to say the things he truly feels. The only one Americans down, I fuck it low and did it my way. My way, Sid Vicious. Sid Vicious version. Ano daw? May 3 pangga dito na obligado makinig sa'yo. Ikaw pa rin, ito Mina. Okay, sige, ikaw pa rin. Kaya lang, pag may request, may magbulog na 10 piso. Ikaw pa rin. Gusto niyo ba yung English version niya? Saki, ba? Kinanta ko na yung version nun yung English. Ikaw pa rin. Dito. Ikaw pa rin ang nais ng pusa. Wait, hanap lang ako ng lyrics. Ba't mali? Tito Mina to eh. Ikaw pa rin, Ted, ito. Hanap lang ako ng lyrics Hindi ko kasi master yung lyrics na ikaw pa rin. For 10 pesos only. Request. Nang mawalay ka sa aking puso, kung bakit hanap-hanap ka pa. Ang iyong mukha'y lagi na lamang sa isipan ko. Bakit di magawa nitong damdamin ang paglimot sa mga nagdaan? Sadya nga bang ganyan? Pagmamahal ay di matatakasan. Nais ko'y makapiling ka muli. Nais ko'y mayakap kahit sa sandali. Kung pangarap may tatanggapin ko, ikaw pa rin ang iniibig ko. Nang mawalay ka sa aking puso, kung bakit hanap-hanap ka pa. Ang iyong mukha'y lagi na lamang sa isipan ko. Bakit di magawa nitong damdamin ang paglimot sa mga nagdaan? Sadya nga bang ganyan? Pagmamahal ay di matatakasan. Nais ko'y makapiling ka muli. Nais ko'y mayakap kahit sa sandali. Kung pangarap may tatanggapin ko, ikaw pa rin ang iniibig ko. Nais ko'y makapiling ka muli. Nais ko'y mayakap kahit sa sandali. Kung pangarap may tatanggapin ko, ikaw pa rin ang iniibig ko. Gusto niyo yung original version niya? Sino kasing kumanta nito? Saki. Wait, hanapin ko yung version niya, yung original version. Ano nga kasing version to? Tayo dito. Saki. Kasi pa kalimutan ko yung version niya. One Last Time ba yun? Nabin ko nga. Oh, sige, ano pa? Ano pong request nyo? Habang hinahanap ko yung ano, yung yung original ng version ng Ikaw Pa Rin. Excuse me. Ano kasing pamagat nun? Wala na ba kayong ano? May 3 ka dito na obligado makinig sa'yo. Salamat. Salamat sa pakikinig. 1 piece chicken joy and 1 float po. Salamat sa nakikinig. Salamat po sa inyo. Pasensya na ano ako. Asintonado. Ted Ito. Ikaw Pa Rin. Request ka mo? Oh, anong request? Sige. Tito Mina? Nga iba yung Ted dito. Ikaw pa rin, Tito Mina ba yun? Di ko yata alam yung ikaw pa rin, Tito Mina. Ikaw pa rin, Tito Mina. Ano bang... Di ko pa yata narinig doon. Di pa narinig. Wait, pakinggan ko muna siya. Ano? Saigo no Iwaki, Tito Mina. Tito Mina, ikaw pa rin. Paano ba to? Okay, tapakinggan ko lang siya. Hindi ko ata alam to. Pwedeng pass. Hindi ko siya alam. Pwedeng iba na lang. Hindi ko nga siya alam eh. Pwedeng pass. Hindi ko siya alam. Ano siya? Tawag doon. Hindi ko siya alam. Ngayon ko lang siya narinig. Tito Mina. Tito Mina. Marami pa akong nahalikan. Labing nahalikan. Iba na lang. Millennial ka pala. Ben and Ben na lang. Ben and Ben? Ano bang kata ng Ben and Ben? Hindi ako millennial, 90s ako. Tulad ng Nirvana, Sex Pistol. Katanghisip. Live. And to love again. And to feel. Ay, yung mga ganon. Rosas, gusto nyo? Araw-araw. Something in the way she moved. Come out and play. Come out and play. Ano ba yan? Yung ano? Wait. Come and see me red. Come out and play. Sino kasi kumanta niyan? Come out and play. Sino kasi kumanta ng Come out and play? Wait. Hapin ko muna. Billie Ellis. Kahirap na mga gusto nyo. Offspring. Offspring, di ba? Silverchair? Offspring. Wala yung Silverchair yata ng ganyan eh. Alam ko Offspring kumanta, hindi Silverchair. Silverchair. Offspring ang alam ko. Offspring. Put sa tab. it separated. Can't say it's young, never born. Can't say never born. And then I'm telling you, man. That's up. Gotta keep it separated. Hey, coming back to me. Hey, hirap kantahin. Gotta keep it separated. Okay, tapos. Kahirap kantahin ng Offspring na yun. Next song. Gotta keep it separated. Feelings, nothing but the feelings. Mga ko sa Spring. Mahirap kantahin lahat to eh. Dapat talaga, ano ka dito? Makasang oras na ba ako? Ang mukha mo si Paraluma, nung tayo ay bata pa. Ang galing-galing mong sumayaw, napagbugi mano cha-cha. Ngunit ang paborito ay pagsayaw mo ng El Bimbo. Kakainda, kakabalik, kakatindig balahibo. Pagkagaling sa eskwela ay dumiretso na sa inyo. At buwag yapon ay tinuturuan mo ako. Magkahawak ang ating kamay at walang kamalay-malay, at tinuruan mo ang puso ko na umibig ng tunay. Tapos na. Tinapos kagad eh, no? Gutom na ako. Gotta keep it separated. Yeah, hey, are you talking back to me? Wala na nanonood. Wala na. Last song siguro. Last song. Magandang pang last song. Last song for the last time. Last song na ako. Sa Igono. Hindi ko alam yung ano eh. Sa Igono. Hindi ko alam yung request nila. Tapos yung Offspring medyo mahirap din. Saigo no Iwaki. Ba't wala? The one and only. All I want is to hold you. Kung magandang pang last song. Ano na lang. Nirvana ulit. Pang last song. Oasis. Don't Look Back in Anger. Sleep inside the eye of your mind. Don't you know you might find a better place to play? You said that you never been, but all the things that you see slowly fade away. So it's a revolution from my bed, 'cause I said I read into my head. Step aside the summertime in bloom. Stand up beside the fireplace. Take that look up from your face. You ain't never gonna burn my heart out. And so Sally can wait. She knows it's too late as we're walking on by. And so slide away. Puts on the back in anger, I heard you say. Take me to the place where you go, where nobody knows, even night or day. Please don't put your life in the hands of rock and roll band, who throw it all away. So it's a revolution from my bed, 'cause said the rest I had went to my head. Summertime, the summertime bloom. Stand up beside the fireplace. Take a look upon your face. 'Cause you ain't never gonna burn my heart out. And so Sally can wait. She knows it's too late as she's walking on by. My soul's lied away, but don't look back in anger, I heard you say. And so Sally can wait. She knows it's too late as she's walking on by. And so slide away. But on the back in anger, I heard you say. And so Sally can wait. She knows it's too late as she's walking on by. My soul's not away, but don't look back in anger, don't look back in anger. I heard you say, at least not today. Bye-bye po. Salamat sa inyong lahat. Salamat sa panonood. Bye-bye.